Morning, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. It is Tuesday at about 11 a.m. and the parking lot is pretty full and it's hot for Wisconsin today. It's like 90 something, 95 I think, and we aren't used to that. So I'm gonna get in, get out, and get back in the AC. I'm not dawdling today. Have a good one. Today I'm looking for everyday home decor and mostly Christmas stuff that I can upcycle, and things that are just good and need a good cleaning up and styling are definitely high on my list too. This little guy was a buck, and so he is going to become something decoupaged. This I turned into a ghost painting, you guys. I actually think I did a good job. Look at it and tell me what you think. Please be kind. My painting was just for fun, and you can do it too. You can grab a piece of rice paper, which are actually on sale until Monday at midnight. These are the Cottage Road and English Forest rice papers. They're like 8 by 11-ish, and it's a perfect way to play and get on this fun trend. Plus stock up on other decoupage papers, Sweet Pickins milk paint, some brushes, and all the kids' art too. I've got a lot of fun things on sale. All things globe usually sell really well, so I love this little metal one. It's honestly just decorative, but it's still super cute. Speaking of a trend, here's another viral one. Have you seen the ones where people take precious moments and turn them into other things? I was going to try to turn this into a Halloween one, but she broke at the checkout. If you've ever done that with precious moments, drop me a comment below. Show me a pic. Same thing if you've done a ghost painting. I'd love to see. This little rubber ducky is a bank, and it's so cute. I really love selling piggy banks to kids. This I cleaned up, and it is so adorable staged. I actually took sandpaper and just sanded that off, and it looks perfect with a little floral in it for fall. That reminds me, we've got 2 new contests on Facebook. So if you're not following me on there, please do and play along. The first contest is called Bought at Rustic Rehab, Styled by Me, and it's any item you've bought from my store, whether it's a thrifted item or I painted it. Here's a few submissions. The other one's called I Just Painted It Using DIY Paint. Jill is doing a great job here, but she's a furniture painter, so I'm not surprised, but you all can enter. These are so fun, you guys. Please play along and at least vote if you don't submit. We'll style him up and see if he sells. If not, we'll turn him into something else. He's hand painted. How cute is he? He has to find a new home. He's styled up pretty easily too in my shop. This piggy bank is super cute, and it's metal. This was also signed on the bottom, so this needed to come get styled at the shop. And this is for candles, but I decided it looked good with floral in it. Do you agree? I think it's cute. These little brass lanterns will look so good for Christmas if they don't sell before. She just needed some dictionary paper and some floral for fall, and she's hanging out looking gorgeous. These pigs are my favorite pick in a while. Look at how adorable they are. And this guy got a paint job by me. What do you think? You think it's better? I think nobody was going to take him home, so he had to get a paint job. I used faded burlap and a little bit of petticoat pink, and then I made his hooves again and his eyeballs with weathered wood. Who knows what this is? I've given it a good scrub and I've got an idea to flip it. I just haven't gotten to it yet. I can't wait for people to start pulling out their Christmas stuff because the Christmas section is sad and I want all your old things. This is like a little ring holder, soap holder. This will look very cute, styled with other things. And I wanted to rescue this guy. Isn't this Santa adorable? These reindeer are plastic and they're actually coming apart. So I think I'm gonna give them a paper clay salt wash, huge upgrade so that they get a little more heft to them and they're gonna look so much better. This is where I consider the thrift store to be my craft store. Like those deer, nobody's gonna want them the way they are and I will save them. I could have grabbed this, but I have a lot of vases right now, so I left it there. But I did spy this adorable little soap holder, jewelry holder, and it is a winner. This little box is nothing precious, but it was a good deal and it will look so good with a tree in it at Christmas time. Here's a peek at my cart as I'm headed up to the checkout. This is Jamie. We took a selfie in the parking lot with my $85 thrift haul. We had a successful painting class. Here's some more things that I upcycled this week and a few more pieces of furniture that were just added to the floor. And don't forget about our sale, which ends Monday at midnight Central Standard Time. Have a great week. I will talk to you next time. Thank you so much for supporting my little business. I appreciate you.